welcome back to episode 3, our final episode of Thevenin circuit analysis. The last step in Thevenin circuit analysis is solving for the Thevenin equivalent circuit. So what this is we use our values of R Thevenin and V Thevenin to create a new circuit with R3 in it. We use V Thevenin as our voltage total. So we have 20.61 here, and you put R Thevenin next. So we have there, and then we bring in the values we know for R3, which is its resistance. So now you're going to solve this circuit like any other, but this time I'm going to give you the values to make sure that you are doing it correctly. So when you add up those two resistors, you're going to get a resistance total of 3,024.56. That is a 4. So you will use that to solve for your current total, which is 6.81 milliamps. So all you need to do is solve the rest for R3, which will give you a voltage total, a voltage at R3 of 14.99. So you can now take these two values, plug them into this circuit, and solve for anything. Most of the time when you use Thevenin, it will be for more advanced, but this is a nice, easy introduction. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.